Hey, how's it going? I'm Josh, and this is my review of the Donner CTS 100S. It is a 7/8 39-inch Telecaster style guitar, single coil on the bridge, single coil on the neck, and this is straight out of the box. So I haven't given it a setup. I haven't changed the strings. Everything is as is. I'm just running it through a 60s AGC Bonham amp, just an old tube amp. So, out of the box, needs a little work. Strings are out of tune. They don't feel too bad. They feel pretty light. They're probably 11s, I'd say. I'm going to run this through an Boss RC 300, and I've got a Donner Dumble drive on here just to kind of bring up some leads and give you an idea of how it sounds from either end. So this is all the way back. This is a bridge pickup, so 2 heavy pots, volume and tone, and then 3-position toggle switch for bridge, neck and bridge, and neck. Sounds pretty good. The action is kind of high, but I mean it's a brand new guitar out of a box, so you're gonna have to either set it up yourself or get it set up. The frets aren't too bad. They're a little high, but work them out over some time or just kind of take them down. It's in decent shape. It's heavy. It's a basswood body, solid, carries some weight, but it sounds pretty good right out of the box. Here is the middle position. And then all the way in the front by the neck. So what I'll do is I've got some percussion going, some backing drums on the loop station. We'll put some stuff together and see how it sounds. So that's in the middle position. I'm going to take the switch to the front and add the Donner Dumble drive and just play some fun over this. All the way back to the bridge. pretty good guitar. I mean, I think some of the noise and some of the hum I'm getting is kind of a hot pickup up by the bridge. It can be an easy mod to fix. Can pick something up from Fender and throw it in here, and it'll be really nice. But overall, this Donner is a pretty sweet guitar. I like it. It's got a nice tone. It feels kind of good. The neck seems really playable. So, yeah, way to go, Donner.